Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook soy sauce and scallion braised chicken. This recipe is super easy, and the chicken will come out juicy and tasty. Hope you will like it. So now let's start. First, prepare a whole chicken and pour some hot water onto it. And then we need to make the sauce. We need a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 4 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, 3 spoons of cooking wine, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half spoon of sugar. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce onto the chicken. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Now we need to cut some scallions and some gingers too. Prepare a large pan and put the gingers into the pan first. Then the scallions. And add the marinated chicken into the pan. Pour the sauce into the pan too. Cover the pan and use a small fire to cook the chicken for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the chicken is cooked. Now put some scallions and some red chilies onto the top. Use a pan to heat some oil and pour the oil onto the scallions and chilies. Hot oil will help to release the flavor of scallion and chili. It is ready. This is one of my favorite chicken recipes. Hope you enjoyed it too. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.